When a house is properly prepared for market, it doesn't just sell, it performs. I've seen many sellers leave hundreds of thousands of dollars behind just because they didn't prep the house to its maximum potential. Let me show you how the preparation of this listing yielded a much bigger return at the end when it sold. This home belonged to an elderly couple. They had lived here for 41 years. There were some repairs that needed to be done. There was some deferred maintenance that needed to be taken care of, but they didn't have the upfront cost to make the repairs. Now, we did get offers from off-market investors where they offered $350,000. However, this is where the Windermere Ready Program came in and facilitated the updates to this house. We developed a strategic plan on what repairs to do on this house. That gave us the opportunity to really identify the cost, where the bigger ROI was going to be, and provide that information to get the loan. My team helped with providing recommendations for contractors to do the work, and we oversaw the entire project along with the project manager. We developed a strategic plan on where the ROI would be for which projects needed to be updated within the house. That gave us a great budget for us to plan out, and my team provided recommendations for great contractors to do the work. We listed the house in early November when the average days on market was 44 days. Within 2 days, we had 24 scheduled showings and we received 3 competitive offers. The winning offer was slightly over $800,000, waiving all of the contingencies and closing within 10 days. This gave my client a 248% return on their investment for the updates on the home. The preparation for this home paid off significantly in value and peace of mind. This is why I emphasize preparation on every listing. The market shifts all the time, but you always have control of the preparation, presentation of your house, and the timing. I can provide some recommendations on which projects would yield you the largest return in your investment. I can recommend some great contractors to help you. And just remember, working with the right team and the right preparation can also exceed your expectations.